Okay, I'm hearing from some guys that are saying that the charging cable is not available in the UK for the CYMA-136. So in my box, okay, I've got the little USB charger. Okay, well, let me get in the right frame here. USB and a little charger cable, and I have an extra mag, so I'm gonna pull out the original mag, put this off to the side. Okay, I'm gonna take a close-up picture of this and what it says here on this, and put it in the video. Did you guys get this little cable? If you did, this goes in here, of course. If I can see what the hell I'm doing. Yeah, there it is. This goes in there. And this little 4-point plug is the same type that's on these chargers here. So you put this in here, plug it in, and it's charging. Now this is a really cheap, like $15 balance charger. Plugs into the 11.1 side. It seems to be charging, it's blinking, there's no errors. I don't know if this is something that you guys can do if you got this cable. If you didn't get that cable, I don't know what to tell you. Because this is an alternate way for me to charge the battery. If I can't find this USB thing, I can always just plug it in here, as long as I got the little cable with the battery. So I don't know if that helps you. Maybe more the description on the back of the charger will help you more than this video here itself. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
I like it!
I'm just here to have fun.